let's make some pancakes. First off, you need some melted butter, baking soda, salt, an egg, sugar, baking powder, milk, and all-purpose flour. Let's get started. Put the flour into a mixing bowl. Then you can add the sugar, baking powder, salt, baking soda, but do not add the butter yet. Mix up what you have in the bowl. And set it aside. Bring back your milk and your egg. Crack the egg into the milk. With a mixing spoon, break the egg and mix it together. Pour the milk and eggs into your flour mixture. Start stirring or mixing with your spoon. When all of your ingredients are starting to get mixed together, but they're not quite mixed together all the way, add the melted butter and continue stirring. This looks very good. Still has a few lumps, but that's okay. Let's get your pan, put a little oil in it, use a paper towel to brush the oil around, turn on the heat, and put some of your pancake batter onto the pan. I use the spoon to make it into a nice shape. Let it cook for a few minutes. Take a look, and when your pancakes are ready to be flipped, use a spatula to flip your pancakes. They should look just like this. Let your pancakes cook a little bit more on this side. Take a look, and when the pancakes are ready, you can turn off the heat, get your plate ready, and move the pancakes onto your plate. Once you're ready to eat, remember to add the maple syrup. Some people add butter, but I like just maple syrup. Pour the maple syrup on top. Get a fork and start eating. Wow. This is so good. I'm gonna eat some more. Oh my goodness. I'm not sharing.